Listen guys, back in 2020 and 2021, crypto was the biggest thing. It was a huge trend. Crypto and then NFTs came and people were making life-changing generational wealth. This was at a time where I was traveling around the world and I had limited money to invest, but I actually made quite a bit of money in crypto. But the new trend right now is AI. And with this channel mainly being about business and dropshipping, I'm going to be blending both themes together, dropshipping, and show you how you can leverage AI to boost your dropshipping success and sales. I'm going to be showing you guys all the prompts which I've personally used when running my dropshipping store and how you can use them to power up your dropshipping business and get ahead of everyone else. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So the first one that I'm going to show you in this video is going to be leveraging ChatGPT to make some really powerful Shopify product descriptions. Now, as you can see, we have this example site over here, which is Sleepyzy. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this might actually be the business that Jordan Welsh used to own, a really popular dropshipping YouTuber, really cool guy. But websites like this, for an example, have really great product descriptions on them. And sometimes if you're completely new to dropshipping, you have no clue how you can actually create those product descriptions. So let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to make really powerful product descriptions for your Shopify dropshipping store, so you don't even have to know any type of sales copy whatsoever. For the purpose of this video, right, I'm going to use GPT 3.5 because all of you guys have access to that model. But I'd recommend using GPT-4 for better results. I have access to it because I have the premium ChatGPT. So to make ourselves a product description for a product, I'm going to show you an example of a prompt you guys can use. So let's just say that we're selling some wireless noise cancelling headphones. I don't know why, that's just the first product which comes to my head when I think of a product. I am actually wearing some gaming headphones right now, maybe that's why, just for the sake of this whole conversation. So we'll type something in like, write a compelling and SEO friendly product description for a wireless noise cancelling headphone designed for gamers. So let's just say our target audience was gamers. So let's break down the prompt. So the first part is we want it to write a compelling product description, but we want it to be SEO friendly, which means we're optimizing it for a search engine optimization, which means so people can find it on Google easier. And then we have our products here, which is the wireless noise cancelling headphones, and it's designed for gamers. So there's our target market. So this is kind of the breakdown of this prompt. So now let's press enter and see what it gives us. Introducing our cutting edge wireless noise cancelling headphones, specially designed for serious gamers who demand nothing but the best. With advanced noise cancelling technology, you'll experience crystal clear audio that immerses you in the game and drowns out distractions from the outside world. So already this is quite a powerful piece of sales copy. You can see it's shown a perk of the product. It's going to drown out distractions from the outside world so they can get crystal clear audio that immerses them in the game, which is something that people want to play games actually want to have, right? They want to feel in that world. That's why they're playing it to escape reality. So we already have a really nice thing which is appealing to our demographic. And it also talks about the feature, which is Bluetooth connectivity, long-lasting battery life, ergonomic design. It's including all of these perks into the product description. We are kind of just talking about a generic fictional noise cancelling headphone set, right? But what if we already have the pros and cons of a product? So we could say, write me a product description for my portable blender. And then what we could do is I could put the pros of this product are long battery life, durable material, large capacity, and then lightweight, for an example. And we press enter, and this product description is going to write for us this time about this second product is going to include all of the perks and the pros we actually entered in. So you can enter in your own information and then it'll write into the description. But if you have no clue about marketing, you don't even have any research about your product, it's going to do it all for you, right? So really cool. So next up, we're going to talk about blog writing, but specifically writing blog content for our dropshipping store. So why would we want to do this? Well, this is another SEO friendly thing. So if we want our store to appear on Google and get a lot of site traffic, potential customers that are completely organic that we don't have to get via ads, we can consider writing SEO friendly articles. So in fact, let me just show you an example. We have this website here called the Fresh Juice Blender. This is a brand which is really successful, and they base the whole brand identity around just the generic name of a dropshipping product that's just called Fresh Juice, and they've got a really good brand identity built around it. But they have a section of the website here called recipes. If I click on recipes, this is actually their blog. So each blog article is a special recipe, right? It's a detox smoothie recipe, different flavors of different juices, and these are linked to the product itself. So for people looking for these recipes, they'll find these articles on Google, it'll take them to the website for the product, and they realize that they can actually make these recipes with the product and they might be interested to buy it. it. So this is why you want to do blog articles. So how do we do these blog articles? Let me show you with ChatGPT. So let's just say hypothetically we have a product which is based in the pet niche. A lot of you guys know that I love pet products. They're really easy to sell. So if we want to write a set of blog articles based around this niche, which people would be interested in as potential customers, we'd write in a prompt something around the lines of this. So write an informative blog post about the top 5 trending products in the pet care niche right now, and just press enter. Let's just see what it says. So this is kind of like a general article. This isn't going to be linked to our product, but when you write an article, you want it to kind of be connected to your product in some way. Like with the juice blender example I showed you, they're showing recipes that can be made with the blender too. So the customer's imagining themselves with a product. But just for the sake of showing you how to generate them with ChatGPT, I've done a generic list in the same niche as my product. So it's come up with CBD products for pets, interactive toys, grain-free and limited ingredient diets, dental care products, and subscription boxes. So let's just read one of these headings and try to gauge the kind of quality of this article it's written for us. Interactive toys are a great way to keep pets entertained and mentally stimulated. These toys come in a variety of forms, from puzzle feeders that require pets to work for their food, to electronic toys that respond to a pet's movement. Interactive toys can help prevent boredom and destructive behavior in pets, and can also provide a fun bonding experience between pets and their owners. So it's a generic article, right? It's probably kind of like obvious that it's been made with AI if you've used AI like us, but it provides some fairly decent content, at least for the kind of low to medium requirements of the quality for a dropshipping store's blog. So this is how you can add basically free blog content, and you just keep generating it to try and build up your blog and get organic traffic basically. So the next one is to use it to create powerful email marketing campaigns for your dropshipping store. So if you guys have watched some of my dropshipping courses or some of my videos where I show you guys strategies for email marketing, you'll probably be aware of the fact that I recommended Klaviyo, because Klaviyo is probably the best app for email marketing, but it also has SMS in it too. So I just want to show you Klaviyo as kind of like an example of what app you could actually use if you don't already have one. I think there might even be this feature in the Vitals app, but I'm not entirely sure. But basically, we can create an automated email marketing funnel which sends emails in kind of like a loop ever so often to the users who have either purchased from our store or signed up for our email on our store. So we have their email on our email list. And with Klaviyo, we're going to try and upsell and cross-sell through emails, and we're also going to try and close sales for people who abandon their carts. That's the generic idea of what you're going to use this app for. Now, let me show you how we can generate content for these email campaigns. So we go to ChatGPT and we're going to create some email campaign content. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to create an email which is optimized for people who have already been on our website, but they've abandoned their cart and thought twice about completing their order. So we want to recapture them and engage them, bring them back to our store, and try and finish that sale and close the sale, okay? So we can kind of gather some more money that potentially we would have lost. So in ChatGPT, I'm going to type in, create me a captivating email, subject line and body copy. The copy part is basically kind of telling it to do sales copy, which is kind of markety, to engage customers who have abandoned their shopping carts in my Shopify store, selling, and then this would be either the product which you're selling if it's a one product store, or the niche. So I'm just going to say that we're selling eco-friendly products. So the subject line is, don't miss out on your eco-friendly home products, complete your purchase now. So we're telling them, come back to our store, don't miss out, and we're creating kind of like a sense of urgency. And it says, we noticed that you left some eco-friendly home products in your shopping cart, and we wanted to reach out to see if there was anything we could do to help you complete your purchase. At our store, we take pride in offering a range of sustainable and environmentally friendly products that are not only good for you, but also the planet too. So now the email's trying to like play on their guilt that if they don't complete the purchase, then they're kind of letting the planet down, which does work. It's kind of like a psychological sales tactic. So you can see ChatGPT is kind of trying to play on their emotions here, which is good. Our products are carefully crafted with the highest quality materials, and we are confident that they will meet all your needs. We understand that life can be hectic and sometimes things slip through the cracks. We're giving them an excuse. We're kind of giving them a get out clause why they didn't finish the sale, and we're kind of saying it's fine. That's why we've made it easy for you to return to your cart and complete your purchase. All you need to do is click on the link below and follow the simple steps. So you would insert the link here in the template. As an added incentive, we're offering a special discount, insert the discount code, off your purchase if you complete your order within the next time frame. It's our way of saying thank you for choosing to shop with us and for your commitment to living a more sustainable lifestyle. So I would say this is a pretty good template, because we're saying, look, you've left our store, life gets in the way, you might have been busy, there was probably an acceptable reason, we're letting you off and we're forgiving you, okay? Here's your excuse, here's your get out clause. And also, to pique your interest, here is a discount code for you to come back and just get the order cheaper. So we're giving them something, we're giving them value in return, and we're also giving them an excuse so they can come back and actually finish the purchase. So I would say this is a good email, and ChatGPT is just generated out of thin air. So you may be wondering, why am I looking at random Facebook ads? Well, it's actually going to loop into what we're going to be talking about. I'm not just randomly browsing Facebook ads. So as you can see here, we have kind of like the description of the Facebook ad. If you haven't run Facebook ads before, then I'm going to tell you what this is. This is the Facebook ads sale copy. So it's kind of like the marketing text that people see when they see your ad to try and entice them into closing the sale. So it can be quite difficult to write something which is very compelling, has good marketing text to it, and generally writing sales copy is a big thing for companies, which is why you have copywriters and people who do that as a craft. But as you've probably heard, ChatGPT can do copywriting pretty well, and GPT 3.5 can do it fairly well. So I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook ad copy for your Facebook ads. This will also work for TikTok ads, but you'll have to change it and modify it for your ad campaigns when you get around to advertising your dropshipping store. So let me show you how to do that. So we go on ChatGPT, right? And what you want to type in is we want to type in, write a short and attention grabbing ad copy for Facebook, for a Facebook ad. Or you can just put for a Facebook ad, which is promoting a new line. And then this is just, you replace this with whatever your product is. So I'm just going to pretend, let's just say we're selling sneakers. So I'll say we're just promoting a new line of customizable sneakers available on my shop, on my dropshipping store. And let's just see what it gives us. We've given it very bare bones basic information. You wouldn't dropship sneakers, but let's just say, step up your shoe game with our new line of customizable sneakers. Express your unique style and stand out from the crowd with shoes that are one of a kind as you are. So we're saying that you need to step up your game, you're slacking. Okay, we're kind of giving them like a backhanded insult that's kind of like soft, and that's going to shock them. And then it says, express your unique style that makes you stand out. And we're telling them our product's one of a kind, but also they are. So we're kind of brushing their ego. If you didn't understand how this works, this is the same that you do in emails as well. Using flattery works a lot. Okay, I've done it in the past, but the best way to do it from a genuine perspective. So you give them a real compliment, so then it's not fake and artificial, and then it works. Okay, with endless customization options, the possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or just hanging out with friends, our sneakers are the perfect addition to any outfit. Don't settle for boring shoes, shop now and step into something truly special. So we're also using emojis, which is a big thing on Facebook ads, so you can stand out. Shop now and get free shipping on your first order. So this is the important part. You always want to give a discount code or some kind of deal on the Facebook ad copy. That usually works the best. So I would say this is pretty good Facebook ad copy. I would modify it a little bit, maybe make it shorter and snappier, maybe rewrite it, or you can also click regenerate response and get a few variations. I personally don't think this is as good. Doesn't use emojis, but it's also shorter. So you can experiment with a few different ones and see which one you like the most. So this is another random store. Okay, now a lot of Shopify dropshipping stores, they have what's called an F.A.Q page. This means frequently asked questions. So this example I'll show you, basically it shows a frequently asked question that people may be wondering, and then it shows an answer to that. So let's just say I was thinking, how long are the shipping times for a certain company? I could go on the FAQ and I can probably find that information out without having to make a support ticket, without having to wait for an email response from the support. It saves the business time and it saves the consumer time. And having an FAQ page is really good at closing extra sales because you give people the comfort of having answers to some of their questions immediately. Now, for an FAQ page, we can develop information for our FAQ page on Shopify with ChatGPT, okay? And we can generate general customer support content, which makes customer support as a process easier and also cheaper. So as a prompt, I could type in, create me an FAQ section addressing common customer questions and concerns which are related to shipping, returns, refunds, and product quality for a Shopify dropshipping store based in fitness gear, okay? So you can modify that to your liking based on your own store. Let's see what it says. How long will it take for my order to arrive? That's a pretty common question. Can I track my order? What if it's lost or damaged? What's your return policy? How do you initiate a return? And will they be refunded? We have a section on refunds. So how long does it take? Why haven't they received a refund? Product quality. So we're telling them what happens if they receive a defective or poor quality product. And do we offer any kind of warranty or guarantee? So this is kind of like the bare bones FAQ section it's given us. The more information we feed it, it might give us more. Also, alternatively, you can type in continue in any prompt in ChatGPT and it'll write you more content. So now it's going to give us more like, do you offer free shipping? Can I change my shipping address after the fact of placing an order? So it's going to give us a lot of questions and it's going to save us a boatload of time. So I showed you guys in multiple videos how you can actually do product research, how you can research certain niches, find products that have already worked in that niche and then try and replicate it, and how you can use websites like Amazon, TikTok, and other people's stores to find things that might work. Now, we can actually use ChatGPT for brainstorming these ideas from scratch, and this is particularly good if you want to start a new store as an experiment, or if you're getting into a niche you don't really know much about. So I'm going to show you one example of how we can achieve that. So an example of what I've used it for is generate a list of 10 unique and profitable, the key meaning profitable because we want to look for winning products, winning product ideas for a Shopify dropshipping store, focusing on, and let's just pick a niche of relationship products and press enter. And now it's going to give us loads of products which may be winning products and probably have been successful or at least popular in the past because it's working off data from the internet. So we've got personalized couple mugs, date night subscription boxes, engraved jewelry, long distance touch lamps, relationship books, his and hers bathrobes, love language card games, matching couple shirts, and cooking classes, and personalized photo frames. We can't sell all of these. Some of these are kind of like products we wouldn't dropship, but from the get-go, engraved jewelry could work. Personalized mugs, card games, lamps. We can do a lot with lamps. There's some really cool LED light products that we can kind of move into this niche and kind of have our own spin on them to try and sell. And personalized photo frames. So there's a lot we can do with this. I would say some of these are good products. I would say also take some of them with a grain of salt because not all of them are going to sell. But just from a glance, I think this has given us some pretty good quality information. And like I said before, you can just always just do the continue prompt and just continuously get more ideas. But remember, things like a relationship store is kind of going to be evergreen because people are always in relationships. But these kind of products are going to sell the very best on Valentine's Day, right? Which has already been and gone this year. So guys, thanks for watching this video on how to use ChatGPT for Shopify dropshipping. I hope you find this video useful on your dropshipping journey and you found some value out of it. Remember, ChatGPT is super powerful and it can automate many of the aspects of your dropshipping business if you use it the right way. But of course, there's many other methods you can use which I didn't cover in this video if you get creative. And you can edit all of the prompts that I've given as examples to be more specific to your situation and also improve them and make them better. Remember, this tool is going to save you tons of time. It's going to reduce a lot of costs and overhead in your business, and it's going to improve customer satisfaction by providing more timely and personable responses to customer service inquiries. So if you haven't already, give ChatGPT a try because it's completely free. You just need to sign up with an account and then you can use it for free, and watch how you can use it to make your dropshipping business thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Shopify dropshipping and other online business strategies on how to make money online and travel, and I'll catch you real soon.